Welcome back. We turn now to the COVID-19 pandemic.
With health experts saying while cases are easing, it's not over yet.
News 9's Brittany Slaughter is joining us now live in Wausau, and she has the very latest.
Yeah, guys, earlier today, state DHS officials were here in Wausau praising frontline workers for their work during the pandemic, but they said things aren't over yet.
We are not out of the woods. We need to remain vigilant.
Leaders with Wisconsin's DHS saying while cases are much lower than this time last year, the virus should not be underestimated.
We're going through the different phases, and we need to continue to soldier forward in making sure that we stay with best practices such as vaccination, boosting, etc.
The Omicron variant a cause for concern.
It has some subvariants, and each subvariant is more contagious than the one that came before it.
Health experts saying COVID-19 will become common in society, but older adults need to take the most precautions.
People 65 and older, we are continuing to see that is the group of people who are most likely to end up in the hospital and unfortunately are still most likely to pass away due to COVID. That's all preventable.
Officials continuing to push the vaccine, saying it could become a yearly shot.
That does seem very likely, but this is also a disease that really has changed so many times over the last 2 years.
So what does the future hold for the virus? Health officials are unsure, but pleading with Wisconsinites to do their part.
What can you do, dear citizen? What can you do, dear Wisconsinite, to make sure that you do not succumb to COVID at all? That's through vaccination and keeping boosted.
And they also said to keep practices in place from the pandemic, like staying home if you're sick and continuing to get tested. Live in Wausau, Brittany Slaughter, News 9 WAOW.